Hello everyone, hope you're having a fab weekend. I thought I'd just come and share this parcel. First of all, this is how it arrived. I don't know if the postman's been chewing on it, if the dog's had it, you know, dinosaurs had it, who knows. Luckily it's a bubble envelope, so the bubble bit's intact. So I know straight away which it's from because I recognise the handwriting. So this is from my lovely friend Kay. So yeah. So, Royal Mail, absolutely marvellous. No wonder he scarpered off pretty quick. It wasn't my usual postman neither. Never mind, it's got here and it's all in one piece, kind of. So, I know what she sent me. She said she was going to make some stuff, and I've been watching her on a YouTube channel. If you don't follow Kay, I'll leave a link in the description box below. She's permanently on my YouTube homepage as one of my featured channels, along with Karen McClure and Handmade. And the reason that Karen and Kay are on there is because I've been friends with them since more or less I started on YouTube, and they've stuck by me through thick and thin. They're reliable, honest, down-to-earth friends. I love them to bits. And then Handmade is on there because I just think she's wonderful, and I try and direct everybody to her channel because she's a lovely lady. Right, so let's get in there. Hold on. Okay, am I meant to save that washi tape now? Haha, done it. So go and have a look, because everything that's in here Kay will be showing on a video. She's lovely. She's a lovely lady. Keep trying to get her to do tutorials on them. I think she thinks that what she makes, that, you know, it doesn't need any explanation, but not everybody knows how to do everything. So I wish she'd do more tutorials. Oh, lovely. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at these. Ooh, these are nice. So what I do is I put Kay's items in my box of ephemera, and every single time I do a journal it's got something from Kay in there. Sometimes they go in as they are, sometimes I'm cheeky and I stick extra bits on or adapt them somehow, but I do use a little bit of something that Kay's made in every single journal that I've ever made. So these are cool, I like these. They're just like little square ones, and she's added the little tab there and put an eyelet through. I think that's a Stampin' Up tab, it looks like it. It might not be, but it looks like it. We've got some little bits and bobs there. That's really lovely with the little tiny ephemeras there. I love that. I can't seem to get the colouring right on my ring light this weekend, so I'm sorry if the colours are a bit pale. Those are lovely. Just tiny little bits of ephemera there, look. And we've got some lovely sentiments as well. Those have gone together really nice. Really nice, yeah. Like that. I like these. So what's she done, a set of 6? I'm going to say she normally does 4s or 6s. She doesn't do odd numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's so. 6 or 4s you normally get with Kay, because she does what she calls batch cooking. She never makes one of something. So there you go. She's probably made heaps more to give to her other friends as well, knowing her. So those are lovely. Thank you. I know what these are. I'll have a look at these in a minute. How many of these has she made? Yeah, 6. And these are circle. Well, you can either use them as tags. I've glued them on as little pockets before. I've used them in my journal, and I've just glued sort of halfway around, glued it on my page. Then you've got that, and then you've got a tuck behind, and you can put mini ephemera in there, tickets and whatever have you. I think it's really lovely. Really nice. I like those. And she's even taken time to do the back there as well, look. Lovely. And there's another one. And each one's got a tab, so if you wanted to put it in a pocket, you can pull it out. I think she needs to just do a bit of a quick tutorial on these, because not everybody knows how to make them lovely. I like these that she uses, these dies. Yeah, these floral ones. I'm gonna need to buy this die set, because when she sends me these with these on, I love them. I really do. These are lovely. These are super nice. I shall be putting these in my... I've got I'm doing about 4 journals this weekend. Starting, and these will be going in some of them because these are beautiful. So these are like the little hidden paper clips. I'm even in shot. Little hidden paper clips, look, with the on the back. Lovely, and we've got some lace there and little sentiments there. Do your best, make it happen, do what you love. These are lovely. Never give up, be amazed. I like this one as well, and this one, especially like this one. That's my favourite. Really lovely. Yeah, and be fearless. So like I could use them as they are. or Kay's not offended if I adapt them. So if I was doing something, I don't know, with butterflies, I might stick a butterfly on, or you know, whatever, or add a ticket to the side, or something to tie it into a colour theme, or re-ink them a different colour. She don't mind. But mostly I'll just use them as they are. Those are gorgeous. Love those, thank you. Oh, she's printed me some of that on vellum. Thank you. So that's what she's used there. So she's obviously given me what she's got left over, and that's been printed on vellum. That's nice. Yeah, I've got these already, but I don't have a printed on vellum. Thank you, Kay. Those will get used. I'll be using these. I'm doing an Handmade journal. I'm going to be doing one with the brand new kit that she's brought out. She's sent me the file. And she sent me the file already, so I'll be giving that one away. And then what's this one? Are these? Oh right, it's these open. I thought so. So these are cool because you could journal in them. You could hang it on the top of a page. Lots you can do with those. I like those. Those are nice. Lovely lace, that. I don't have any of that lace left now, Kay. I've used all mine. Beautiful. And there's a lot of detail there. So she's had to fussy cut all these out. That's double layered. There's a lot of detail and a lot of work in those. And that's really pretty. Everything's inked, I think. Have you inked them? She's inked most of them. I'll let her off. I love this layering. Love it. These look like the Tim Holtzy ones, those. And the little labels at the back. I love those labels for backgrounds. They look fabulous. And then here, this is the magic. This is what she does. She's the most amazing beader. She does the most beautiful beadwork, and she makes all of mine. She literally makes all. I don't know how I managed to con her out of them. I con her out of them every so often. I managed to get her to make me some, and I don't know how I manage it. But she always makes them, and she never complains. She makes all of my beaded dangles for my journals. Look at those. Those are lovely. I really like them. Those would be nice as earrings, them. She does make jewellery, so if you struggle with beading, you need anything making beadwork, she does beautiful seed bead jewellery, scarves, the lot. These are nice with teapots on, because I'm doing an Alice in Wonderland one, so they'll be going on there. She does the lot, so if you need anything, send her a message. Those are lovely, thank you. Be going in my special tub that I put them all in. That's what we make. She's fabulous at these. They're always different. Every time she sends them, they're different, and every time I really enjoy them. Those are gorgeous. How lovely are those? Look at those. So those are we've got ribbon, then lace, and then beading. I've just bought some of these, Kay. These little grippy things. I don't know what they're called. Ribbon holders or something, I don't know, but I've just bought some of those to try and have a go, but I'm just not very good at the actual beading, but those are absolutely beautiful. Thank you, I love those. I think these are my favourite kind that you do. Oh, I love these. So these are just literally a piece of ribbon, a little scrap of lace or an offcut, and a button. How easy can you get, but how beautiful are those? Thank you, Kay. I really love those. Those are lovely. And she's very clever how she does them, because she knows I do a lot of journals, so she makes things quite neutral for me, so that they'll go in anything. I mean, that would go in any journal, wouldn't it, because it's neutral colours. Those are fabulous. Thank you. You are lovely. What a love. I'm so lucky to have such a wonderful friend that does that for me. So thank you, Kay. Absolutely will 100% be using every single... Well, you know I use them because I keep telling you that I'm running out of stuff and you have to make me some more. Beautiful, thank you. So please do follow the link below. Go and visit Kay. Give her a sub. Maybe if we nag at her and, you know, we get her some more subscribers and natter at her and poke her a bit, she'll do some tutorials because she's extremely talented. So yeah, we'll see. She might not. She's retired and loving life, so she's probably like, oh, I just want a quiet life, leave me alone. But those are fabulous. Thank you, Kay, do appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to go and visit Kay, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.